to another video. Here's my sister. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a cars race. So here is my prized possession, the Dynaco Lightning McQueen. So we got it from Walmart. We pre-ordered it, I think. Yeah. We got the Sally from the pack, and it came with the Lightning McQueen. So here's the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. I like the flames. So we got the Bobby Swift. We got the Bobby Swift and the Cal Weathers, like a long time ago, like probably like 2 months ago or 1 month ago. And we got the Cal Weathers. So I finally found it. And yes, we do got the announcers, Chick Hicks and Natalie Certain. So yeah, and we have the Holler guys. Yeah, this one carries Bobby Swift. This one carries Cal Weathers. But guys, in like a few months, I'm gonna be getting like a Cars. I'm gonna be getting a Mac so I can put Lightning McQueen in his Holler. But that'll like take a long time, guys. So we're gonna set it up. Yeah, we set it up. Yeah. So we're gonna be racing. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, Lightning McQueen needs to be last. I don't want him to win. Well, at least Lightning McQueen's gonna win. And yeah, so they're going in the lane. Lightning McQueen, Cal Weathers, Bobby Swift still trying to hang on to the race. Oh no, Cal Weathers. He's trying hard. He's trying. Oh no. Lightning McQueen. Oh. Here come the 3 leaders. And oh no, this might be a close one. And oh, looks like Lightning McQueen won. So guys, we just set it up. Let's see. Yeah. So bye guys. I hope y'all like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a comment, and say bye.
Bye.
So guys, as I was saying, we didn't end the video yet, cause me and my friend are gonna make a YouTube channel. Yeah, so if it's like gonna take a while, cause it says that it's gonna upload in 4 weeks or something. So yeah, bye guys. And the YouTube channel is called the 2 best royal friend. So we didn't make it yet. Yeah, but we're gonna be making that in a while. So give all these, and if y'all know my part 5 video, that will be coming later. So say bye.
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 Bye, my YouTube fans. And peace, my YouTube comrades. I got that from GameCube Dude. He's the best. And give him a GameCube Dude all love. So, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.